1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. Here we go. On Charlie Alpha Sierra 4 Bravo, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. CQ on Charlie Alpha Sierra 4 Bravo, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. Anyone?
VK4 Foxtrot Bravo, VK4 Papa November Sierra.
Again with your call sign, please. Over.
Yeah, VK4 Foxtrot Bravo. Here is VK4 Papa November Sierra.
Oh, roger. VK4 Papa November Sierra. Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. Hang on a second. Sorry, I just didn't hear myself. I was a bit off, so I hope it gives you a bit of time to pull me in a bit. Yeah, VK4 Papa November Sierra, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo, location in Logan, Kingston. That's where I am. Name is Roland. Over.
Roger, Roland. VK4 Foxtrot Bravo, VK4 Papa November Sierra.
Yeah, thanks for the info. My location is west side of Brisbane in Moggill. The name is Puyan Papa Oscar Yankee of November QSL.
Puyan, roger. I think we've spoken before, some time ago. But anyway, let me turn the power down. I think I can eat quite easy there. But anyway, good copy on you, Puyan. And I'm using an IC-9700, and I thought I want to give this satellite a try, and it works quite well. So I can wind the power down. I'm on, what am I now? Half a watt? I can't believe it. Over. VK4PNS, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Same. I'm on the minimum IC-910 using here. The minimum power setting, which is I think a couple of watts. I can't go any lower, but I think I've got decent power there. Hopefully not too much, but yeah, they're doing a fine business job. Yeah, I might have mentioned about my antenna here. It's homebrew, and the rotator system is almost homebrew as well. It's from bits and pieces from JCAS. Cost me less than $200 to build the whole thing. With satellites, dissect rotators that are $45 each, so basically 2 of those. And I've got 5 elements on VHF and 5 on UHF, and it's not cross band, it's just single polarization. IC-910 is the radio, I didn't mention already. Back to you, VK4 Fox Bravo, VK4 Papa November Sierra, Roland, go ahead.
Yeah, roger there, Puyan, VK4 Papa November Sierra. Well done on your setup. I'm using USB 232B to auto-track the satellites. And I'm watching the waterfall at the moment with the station drifting all over the place. That's quite funny. Anyway, no worries, Puyan. Sounds really good what you did there with your setup. So, and it works quite well. VK4 Papa November Sierra, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. Over.
Roger, no worries. VK4 Fox Bravo, VK4 Papa November Sierra. Yeah, the satellite is almost above us now. With 2 watts, it seems to be doing more. Probably too much power going into it. It's alright. Thanks for that. Thanks for the compliment. Yeah, it took me a while to get things done. I had to write some Arduino software to control the rotator and, get it to talk to my computer software and introduce itself as a Yaris G450. So yeah, it took a bit of a, try and fail and, effort, but anyway, I'm happy the way it is now. It's working well. I've been on a few satellites. There's talking through RAU7 and RS45 like those two. But yeah, these CAS satellites and also XW satellites are quite a lot of fun to roll. And back to you, VK4FB, VK4 Papa November Sierra.
Yeah, roger there, Brian. All good. Not quite sure how much power that is, but I'm only using 1% on 70 centimeters. So I reckon it's half a watt or less. So I'll have to ask what that actually is. I haven't measured it, so I reckon it'll be less than a half a watt. But yeah, I seem to get it quite well. So sorry, I just adjusted. I was sounding like Donald Duck. But anyway, Brian, thank you very much for the contact. I was surprised there's no one else around, or maybe we see if there is. VK4 Papa November Sierra, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo, over.
Roger, VK4 Fox Bravo. Yeah, my pleasure indeed. Yeah, guys, yeah, happy to talk to you, and yeah, I'm looking forward to talk to you another time, Roland. Yeah, let's have a shout. Any other stations on CAS-4B? This is VK4 Papa November Sierra, and VK4 Foxtrot Bravo in the group. Yeah, doesn't seem to be anyone. Anyway, C-73 CAS-4A is passing too. I'll give that one a shot as well. If you want to be on that one, I want to see how that one's faring. So 73 for now on this one. VK4 Fox Bravo, VK4 Papa November Sierra. Cheers.
Okay, the cool one. I'll catch you on the next one. Which one are you going on now? Is it CAS-4A?
That's right, CAS-4A is coming up. CAS-4A is coming up.
Oh, roger, I'll go over there and catch you later. VK4 Papa November Sierra, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. Bye-bye, Paul.